Ever wonder why, even after 3 cups of coffee, you still feel like a zombie? We've been told caffeine gives us energy, but what if I told you it's actually faking it? Yep, caffeine doesn't give energy, it just steals it from your future self. Today, we're diving deep into why sleep is more powerful than any energy drink you'll ever touch. So before you grab another cup, stick around. This might change how you live your mornings forever. Question for you. What's the latest you've ever stayed awake? And why? Tell me in the comments.
When you sleep, your brain doesn't turn off. It goes into maintenance mode, cleaning toxins, fixing neurons, and organizing memories. Think of it like updating your phone overnight. Skip it too many times and everything lags. Without enough sleep, your brain literally starts forgetting how to focus. And that's why even gallons of caffeine can't fix real tiredness, because it's not a fuel problem, it's a system problem. Caffeine doesn't create energy, it blocks adenosine, the chemical that makes you feel sleepy. Imagine your brain screaming, "Bro, we're tired," and caffeine just duct tapes its mouth shut. That's why you feel awake. Until the caffeine wears off. Then boom, crash mode. The more you rely on it, the worse the crash gets. It's like borrowing money from your sleep bank with interest. If you wake up tired after 8 hours, it's not just about time, it's about quality. Deep sleep restores your body. REM sleep restores your mind. Miss those stages? You wake up feeling like you ran a marathon in your dreams. Screens, stress, and caffeine ruin your deep sleep cycle. That's why sleeping late after scrolling TikTok feels like you didn't sleep at all. TikTok to USA. Caffeine stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. That means your 5 p.m. latte is basically a sleep grenade said to explode at midnight. That means your 5 p.m. latte is basically a sleep grenade set to explode at midnight. Even if you do fall asleep, caffeine stops your brain from entering deep sleep. So you wake up foggy, drink more coffee, and repeat the cycle. It's not energy, it's survival mode. When you skip sleep, you build up a sleep debt. And no, you can't pay it off in one weekend nap. Your brain remembers every lost hour like an angry accountant. That's why after pulling all-nighters, even sleeping 10 hours doesn't fix you. Real recovery takes days of consistent sleep. Ever notice your first coffee used to feel like magic, and now it's just meh? That's tolerance. Your body gets used to caffeine, so you need more to feel the same. It's like your brain saying, "Nice try, I've seen this trick before." That's when coffee stops helping and starts controlling you. During deep sleep, your brain connects ideas. That's why geniuses nap. Einstein literally scheduled naps to think better. So when you sleep, your creativity and focus skyrocket. No coffee in the world can replicate that. Sleep doesn't boost energy, it builds it. Let's settle it. Coffee equals temporary alertness. Sleep equals permanent brain upgrade. Coffee fakes it, sleep makes it. You can't outsmart biology. If you skip sleep, your brain skips performance. Good news? You can enjoy both. Just time it right. Last coffee 6 hours before bed. Hydrate, move, and get sunlight in the morning. That resets your body clock, so caffeine works with you, not against you. Sunshine. If you quit caffeine suddenly, you'll feel like trash for 3 to 5 days. Headaches, mood swings, and fatigue. But after a week, you'll wake up naturally alert. Your body remembers how to make its own energy again. Set one rule. Same bedtime every night. That trains your brain to expect rest. Keep your phone away an hour before bed. Seriously. No blue light, no chaos, just calm. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up ready to conquer. Forget caffeine, pills, or energy drinks. They just rent your energy. Sleep invests in it. When you sleep enough, your body produces natural dopamine and serotonin, real motivation chemicals. You'll focus better, move faster, and actually feel happy.
Our generation treats sleep like a waste of time, but it's literally fuel. Skipping it for Netflix or gaming is like pouring soda in a Ferrari engine. If you care about your future, protect your sleep. It's your body's way of saying, let me help you win.
So, are you team sleep or team coffee? Comment below and tell me how many hours you sleep each night. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your tired friend who lives on caffeine. Remember, real focus doesn't come from coffee. It comes from rest. Now go get some sleep. You've earned it.